Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to draw an umbrella. We will use a round lead to help us draw an umbrella. Hold the line firmly and draw the curved line like the top of an umbrella. Now draw the bottom edge with heavy lines. Next, use the lead to draw the umbrella handle. Now trace the line with a black marker. Make the tips of the umbrella nice and round. Draw the lines to complete the umbrella. Our umbrella is ready. Now it's time to color it. Let's color the first section red. Do you have a red toy? Now let's color the second section. Can you tell me what color we are using? Do you like the color green? Let's color the third section pink. Do you have a pink t-shirt? For the fourth section, we will use the color of a fruit. Can you guess the name of the fruit? Yes, it is orange. For the fifth section, we will use the color of a vegetable. The vegetable is an eggplant. What color is an eggplant? Purple. We have finished coloring the top of the umbrella. Now let's color the handle. We are using off-white. And we will add red at the bottom. Our beautiful umbrella is finished. Kids, how does our umbrella look? If you like it, please give us a thumbs up.